Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. When making these cookies and using the oven, parental or guardian supervision is needed. First, let's gather our ingredients. We will need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. It's very important to always wash your hands with soap and warm water before and after cooking to avoid spreading germs and getting sick. Now let's mix the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar together until it's creamy. Next, we will add the eggs one at a time and then the vanilla extract. Mix it all together until it's smooth. Time to add the flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix it slowly until everything is well combined. And now for the best part, chocolate chips. Stir them until they're evenly mixed throughout the dough. Using a spoon, drop the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have it, delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoy baking with me. Remember, always have an adult to help you when using the oven. Bye for now.